Hello learners, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Dr. Anu's Literary Caliber. In today's video, we are going to see one of my descriptive poems I had written on one important occasion. I shall now explain it in detail. One fine day, I wished to give my son a carrot to eat, but I wanted to surprise my son because children are naturally curious. Their minds are fresh, imaginative, and eager to explore beyond routine learning. Innovation allows them to channel their curiosity into meaningful discoveries. A liking for innovation nurtures creativity and helps them think out of the box. So I took a carrot, washed it in salt water, cut it into tiny round pieces. Do you know how they resembled? They resembled just like golden coins. Then on a clean plate, I arranged them carefully, one by one, until they formed a bright orange heart. And as I looked at it, a little poem bloomed in my mind. I have written this poem in 6 couplets. Circles of love, a carrot heart symphony. On a plate of white so neat, tiny circles softly meet. Yes, those small circles gathered together to make something special. Orange rounds in tender art bloom together, make a heart. Do you see, my dear? Even small things, when they join together, can create a big shape of love. Mother's love in colors bright glows like sunshine, pure delight. Because this heart was not just carrots, it was full of my love for you. Childhood joy in every bite, health and warmth in morning light. As you eat each piece, you are not only tasting carrots, you are tasting care, health, and happiness. Shall we now move on to the last 2 couplets? Yes, here comes the 5th couplet. Each small piece a hug to show love that helps a young heart grow. Here I would like to suggest every circle is like a tiny hug from me to my son. Last couplet. Here it is. Simple shapes with meaning sweet. Circle love in tasty treat. That's how a simple carrot turned into a story of love right on the plate of my son. Sometimes love doesn't need grand gestures. Today, these little circles of carrot carry a bigger message, one of health, care, and a mother's heart. I hope all of us do agree with me that a mother's love is not only spoken, it is served in the smallest circles, in the simplest shapes, in the warmest hearts. I hope love is not only felt, it can be tasted. I wish to conclude this video by saying that a mother's affection takes a tender, edible form in this poetic tableau. Small, sunlit circles of carrot arranged into the timeless emblem of love, each orange round, simple yet profound, becomes a note in a symphony of care, symbolizing health, warmth, and joy. The poem mirrors this artistry with rhythmic couplets, where every line encircles the reader like a gentle embrace. What begins as a playful plate transforms into a luminous expression of love's nourishment, both for the body and for the soul. If you like this concept and poem, kindly express your ideas and valuable comments in the comment section. If you like this video, kindly like, share to your friends, and subscribe my educational YouTube channel Dr. Anu's Literary Caliber. We shall see yet another interesting topic in the next video. Until then, happy learning.